So we all work with different types of professionals: an accountant, a CPA, a real estate attorney, an insurance agent, a legal attorney. We've all considered using them in different ways in our lives.
With all these professionals, there's been one thing as we've talked about: should we hire someone to help us do this? Can we do it ourselves? There's many ways you could do it yourself versus working with these professionals. And one reason I feel like we always come back to why we use a professional is what we don't know in these things. So doing it ourselves, we could be walked through the process online, but what is it that we don't know that these people are going to tell us that we don't know?
Sure, and really the other side, the flip side of that is, what are we saving in not working with it and doing it ourselves? We're not saving time, we're maybe saving money. So is our time worth more than the money that we're spending?
So if you've decided you're going to do it yourself, sometimes also the paralysis by analysis. Okay, now I need to become an expert on this area because I'm doing it myself. And so you don't really ever know what's right or what's not right.
Or there's a real fear in, is this the right answer, or who do I talk to? And then you end up getting consensus from everybody and then eventually making a decision. And that isn't really a good place either.
Yeah. One other thing is too, like this fear of, oh, it's going to cost me money. It's going to cost more than I can afford. And I think one of the things that we've talked about is the errors that you can make sometimes cost you more than what you would have paid that professional to do it right the first time.
Sure.
And you don't want to be the thing that everyone's learning from. You don't want to be the hard lesson that people are learning from. And so that's really been one of the reasons, I guess another reason we've decided to use professionals when we've been discussing these important things.
Yeah, so it's important to find someone that you trust to do it with. So you ask your family, ask your friends, ask your CPA, ask your financial advisor, who do they use? Why would they recommend this person? And then really make an educated decision.
And I think in all of this, you're going to find through the years, things may become more complex. You go to work every day and you do what you do and you become an expert in that. And so finding someone who's an expert in all of these matters will really benefit you for the long term. This is what we've found. We know we're building a relationship now for the long term. And so we're going to have these people in our lives forever.